Hi friends, good morning. I hope everybody is well. Today is Saturday. I have weekend, so I'm planning to go with my new car to Bhutan. That is Namlang, we call. And from my home place, it takes like more than an hour. I'm gonna set the distance in my Google map in my car. So I'm in a bit casual look today. How am I looking? I just put this cap also. Anyway, just be with me. I'm gonna share that with you. Thank you. हाय गाइस, मैंने मैप सेट कर लिया है। तो भूटान नंगलाम तक मुझे टाइम लगेगा 1 घंटा 24 मिनट। ये 15 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा है यहाँ से। तो चलते हैं, जस्ट बी विथ मी। Hey guys, have you seen the mountain sea? That is Bhutan. So we are on our way to Namlang, Bhutan. Just stay tuned, okay? Catch you later. Hey guys, if you can see the mountains, what a gorgeous view, right? So just stay tuned. We are just about to reach. See you guys.
এইখানতো অলপ হৈছিল যেহেতু সেই হেন মানুহ এটা আছিল কিন্তু এই পিছৰ সময়ত যেটো অকল জুবিন গাৰ্গ হৈ যিমান কাম কৰলা সেই বস্তুটো তাৰমানে এটা ফ্লেট জাগাত ৰৈ
Hey guys, it's raining. I just reached this Bhutan gate, you can see. So I'm not entering Bhutan. We're just going home now. Later I will come. Thank you for watching guys. See you next time.